guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Chebet. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always returning to this channel to watch my videos. For those who are new to this channel, you're all welcome and you're very welcome. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you different ways in which you can style a bandana, or I can say a bandana. Is it a bandana or bandana? Comment down below if you think it's a bandana or bandana. So I'm going to show you different ways in which you can style a bandana into a top, majorly summer clothes. Yeah, so thank you so much and let's get guys into the first top. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you simply take your bandana this way, and then you fold it into a triangle. Fold it into a triangle this way. Then tie it this way. And here's the final look, how we look with our top. I guess you've seen such tops. That's and so the second type of top is this one here. This one here. And so on this type of top, we are going to use these two. We are going to use two bandanas. This one, the black one, and the red one. And so you simply take this one and this bandana and this bandana as they are, fold them onto a triangle. You fold this on to make a triangle this way. Same to this one. Fold it to make a triangle. And then you're going to tie this part. Tie here. You see this? So after you've tied them, place them this way. and then tie them at this point. This way, and then tie these 2 points on your back. And this is how it will look at the back. Let's see the final look. Whoa. This is how it looks now. I guess we've all seen such kind of tops. Yeah? Or maybe we have, or maybe some of us are having such kind of tops. So the final look is this one. This is the final look, guys. So moving to the third one, which is this one here. Yeah, we simply do this way. We simply take bandana, tie it this way, and tie it on your back. I guess this is common because most of you have seen this on my video on how to style the Maasai shuka onto different outfits. So you take this, tie on your back. This is very simple. The back this way. Let me adjust here. Yeah. And you have your top. Simple. This is how the top looks. This way. And from the back, we have this. Simple. We have this. This is the final and very final look. That's simple. And so moving to the fourth type of top, which is this one here, we'll simply create it from this one. We'll create it from this top. So you simply fold this one. So see how it looks. You can tuck in and wear something on top of it like a denim, or you can do this. We fold it to make a tube top. This way. And you can wear this with a high waist jeans so that you don't look weird. This is how we look at the back.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
And then the last but not least, the last top is, which is this one here. It's also so simple. I guess you saw this on my Maasai video. on my video on how to style the Maasai shuka onto different outfits. So on this one, you simply do this way. Take your necklace. You can use this necklace, or you can use a strap, just any strap, yeah, to hold it here. So you do this. And here we have it. We have it. Our top. And here we have.
And I guess that was our last type of top. We had 5 types of top. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. So comment on what you think about this video. Just anything, comment. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and let's meet on my next video. I'll be creating more videos like this ones. So thank you so much, and let's meet on my next video. Bye.